Thursday, March 28th, 2024, Summerville, Georgia, Willow Spring. I think I just read where it said 420 gallons per minute come out of the ground here. About as clear and pretty of water as you'll get, isn't it? We've had a lot of rain. Reminds me sort of the Blue Hole up at Lafayette. $420 gallons a minute. It says no swimming. There's legend that Cherokee used to enter the water here and swim upstream 1,700 feet before coming out upstream. Do not drink this water. Okay, you can't really see this. Big Springs, Beaver Spring, Cleghorn Spring, Willow Spring, all these names have been used for the natural freshwater spring which burst forth from this site. Predating our recorded history, this water is part of the Knox Dolomite Aquifer and formed as groundwater erodes through the very porous dolomite and limestone foundation of this area. Measurements show flow at 420 gallons per minute. Okay. Let's walk down here. This joins this other creek. Willow Springs, imagine that. A lot of little fish in there. Little bitty critters. Little bitty itty bitty critters. Yeah, to keep the sun out of our eyes, we came into the courthouse from the backside. Okay, let's wrap this up. That'll be it.